Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate MyQ garage door control with Alexa step by step clearly. To activate MyQ garage door control with Alexa, start by ensuring that your MyQ account is set up in your garage door. Next, download the MyQ app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Once installed, open the MyQ app and log in to your account. Make sure your garage door opener is properly linked to your MyQ account. Now, enable the MyQ skill in the Alexa app. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone. Tap on the More icon in the bottom right corner. Select Skills and Games from the menu. In the search bar, type MyQ and tap on the MyQ Garage skill. Tap the Enable to Use button. You will be prompted to log in to your MyQ account again. After logging in, link your MyQ account with Alexa by following the on-screen instructions. Once linked, you will receive a confirmation that your MyQ account is connected to Alexa. You can now begin to use voice commands to control your garage door. To open the garage door, say, "Alexa, open the garage door." To close it, say, "Alexa, close the garage door." If you encounter any issues, check your Wi-Fi connection and ensure that both devices are on the latest software version. With these steps completed, you can easily control your garage door using Alexa. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.